Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another Valentine set. So as you could see from the picture, this is going to be a full pink set. So you do see me pick up a bead of acrylic and place that right where the tip and the natural nail meet, and I slowly work the acrylic down. So this part of the application is in real time. Next, we are going to go in with some pink glitter, which is going to be at the bottom of the nail, and then we're going to ombre it up a little bit, but not too much because we don't want to cover the full nail, so it's going to be an ombre glitter nail. So you guys can just go ahead and watch me do that. I also didn't want the glitter to be too glittery, I don't know what it's called, but I didn't want the nail, I wanted you to still be able to see the glitter but on top, but you could also see the pink of the acrylic underneath. Hopefully that makes sense. So I wanted the glitter to be like spread out a little bit. It still looks covered, but you can still see the acrylic under. Hopefully I explained that properly. So on the index finger, it's going to be exactly the same as the ring finger. So I did go ahead and speed this up for you guys as well, so the video wouldn't be too long. So for the middle finger, we are going to make it completely pink acrylic. So it's going to look like the pinky. And then this is also going to be our accent nail. So you guys can see later when I add the design to it. So next we are going to encapsulate, and we do want to encapsulate because we have loose glitter here and we want to protect it when we do go in to file. So you do see me pick up a clear bead of acrylic and I place that just right above the glitter, and I slowly work the acrylic down. I do add more acrylic because I want to fully encapsulate the glitter. So when you touch on top, like run your finger on the nail, you do not feel glitter, you just feel smooth. That means it's fully covered. So when you go in later and file, we are not going to mess up our nail. I did go ahead and speed up the encapsulation on the rest of the nails. Next, I'm just showing you how the nails look like after the application. They look so cute, so pretty. So next we are going to go in with our e-file. So this is a fine grit safety bit. So it's very gentle, it's not going to cut you at all. So we are going to go in and seal our cuticles. And the best way to make sure or to know that your cuticles are sealed is to look at where your skin is and where the acrylic starts. There should be a very thin, sort of almost invisible to the eye, a line in between. That way you know your cuticle is sealed and you're not going to have any liquids or any moisture or hand creams or anything is going to get under there, because that will cause lifting if that does happen. So just make sure that you seal your cuticles well, and you can see how I'm doing it here. Next, we are going to go in with our hand file, and you do see me push there on the skin just to expose the acrylic that's stuck on the skin so we can file it away. So I just hold my hand file at a 90-degree angle, and I just file up and down until I get the crisp shape. And I do the same thing with the tip as well. Just with the hand filing, make sure that you do stabilize the finger that you're filing, so you don't want it to like wobble all over the place, because that is uncomfortable. So you do see me going ahead and like using my other fingers to help stabilize the finger that I'm filing. So next, it's time for our design. So you do see me looking at the stone there to make sure that the pink matches my pink acrylic. And then I do go ahead and apply some bling gel. And then we are gonna use these like little half heart stones. I don't know what they're called. I call them half heart stones. So then we are gonna use those to create a one big heart, or a complete heart, if you will. And then we're gonna apply our stone with the pink color in the middle. We're gonna put that in the middle. Then we're gonna go back in with the two half hearts and make a heart, and then apply again the stone with the pink. So we're gonna do that all the way until we get to the cuticle. It turned out so cute. Like I absolutely love this nail. I'm so obsessed with this nail. I love how simple it was to make it, and it looks so pretty. So next we are going to go in with our top coat, and this is the Not Polished Gloss It. Love this one, it's very shiny. And then I do start with our accent nail, our middle fingernail, and I brush on the sides of our design, and then you do see me go in with the brush and go in between each of the stones because I'm trying to secure them, even though we did use bling gel, and as well just so that in between the design, the stones, that it is shiny as well, so the nail looks complete. Hopefully that makes sense. So I did show you that you can use either the brush from the bottle or a liner brush as well. That's also an option to do. And then I went in and cured it, then I painted the other finger while the other one was curing. We are multitasking here, and just all the way through until all the nails are top coated and cured. Once the nails are all cured, you see how pretty they are. They're so cute. I do show you like a close-up and also of the thumb as well, and sort of like a little video. Next, we're going to apply our cuticle oil. So you see me apply that on all the nails, and then I gently massage it into the cuticle and a little bit down the finger as well, just to bring the life back into our hands. I really love these nails. They are so pretty, so simple, so Valentine-y. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!